friends, today I'm going to show you how to prepare Goan traditional dry prawns kismoor in a most simple and easy way. So let's go and start it. To start off with, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 sliced onions. Add 3 to 4 sliced chillies. Make sure you don't have to overfry the onion. I fried this onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Fry this on a high flame for another 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, teaspoon of chili powder. Add 4 to 5 peels of binda sola or kokum. I have cut it into fine pieces, or you can use the whole peel as well. 3 tablespoons of tamarind pulp. Swirl together. Add salt to taste. I've cleaned and washed the dry prawns, and now I'm going to add this. Fry this for another 2 minutes. Now let's add coriander. So friends, our dry prawns kismoor is ready now. If you like my recipe, then show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all.